americium source as the source of alpha particles. Upon ionization, the americium-241 releases alpha particles and gamma radiation particles of itself. The alpha particles then enters the chamber. It ionizes the air, resulting into two ions, the positive and the negative. The positive ions goes to the negative plate and the negative ions goes to the positive plate. This flow of ions results into a small current. Then, when the fire outbreak, smoke enters the chamber and disrupts the ion, making the current stop, thus initiating the fire, the alarm to ring. This americium-241 smoke detectors, it's more preferred because it's very sensitive, that's one. Two, it's safe because the americium source is encased in a layer of foil, preventing the americium from getting out of the chamber. Because we all know that the reactive particles are very dangerous.